This first time?
Yeah, first time.
What's the special occasion?
I'm graduating.
Okay.
BSN, so
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank
Let's go
you
have
so
some fun,
much.
all right?
Yes.
Anything you want to say to friends and family?
no, I'm excited. Hope you all like it and you have to do it.
Absolutely. Here we go. Have a lot of fun. I'll see you out there. All right. You are unhooked. Free to stand up. Welcome back to planet Earth.
Thank you so much.
Was that fun?
Yes.
Stay right over here with me. Let me get a picture of you with this guy. He just saved your life. I think it's worth a photo.
Thank you so much for that.
Smile real big, guys. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. Thanks, Skydive DeLand.